Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So, good Thursday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. Thursday, December 30th, the end of the year is near, and let's, I guess, sort of ending it. We hope everyone had a great Christmas, safe Christmas, feeling healthy. We got a lot going on. Of course, we're here in the office and talking about commercial real estate and how exciting it is. Just a quick kind of follow-up on everything for the retail awards. We've got over 35 jury members already. Many of them are retailers joining us, so a lot of retailers. A big jury already planned for our CEE Retail Awards, which will be January 27th at the InterContinental Warsaw. If you haven't booked a table yet or got a sponsorship yet, please let us know either today, tomorrow, or early next week, because as soon as the short list comes out, which I assume that's early, it's coming out in a week or so, isn't it?
We're going to the jurors directly, we'll be out at the end of next week, I reckon.
The jury will be voting on it, so you definitely want to get signed up before the short list comes out. Just to thank a couple of our new sponsors, we have MK Illumination, MSI Sensory, TPA. What are the retailers? Hebe just signed up, it's a new one there. Corporate Table Partner, Enhood, and of course CBRE, now it's called CBRE Investment Management. We, in the past, they were called CBRE Global Investment, but now CBRE Investment Management. So great to have them on board again. Looks like we'll be well sold out for the retail awards, and retail really does seem to be coming back. We also have NAI Ukraine on board, which had just signed up. So great to have them as well. It seems like it's all coming together. Quite a lot happening in Ukraine. A lot of opportunities for retailers to come to Kiev, and very good sales numbers, which we'll hear from a couple of the representatives about during the conference and for retail awards. So we got a lot of that coming on. Also, looking at all the numbers for MAPIC this year. MAPIC is mid-March, and we're one of the media partners. Well, we're the international media partner for MIPIM once again. Looks like they're going to have bigger numbers than they did before all this happened. So great to see that they're doing well. If you'd like to cover anything, if you've got some, if it's office, retail, warehouse, sort of resi for rent, residential, they seem to have everybody there this year. So definitely join us in the Europa Property Real Estate Guide for that. And 2 weeks right after that, we do our SEE Awards again in Romania, which is going extremely well. A few new sponsors, and a lot of the sponsors we knew from the past are going to be there. So a few international ones already on board, so good to see that. Also, we'll get some new suits, I think, when we're down there. Might as well.
Yeah. That'd be nice.
Yeah, exactly. So having said that, let's take a little break, and we'll come right back with Winston Norman, our editor-in-chief, and the news for the day. Ladies and gentlemen, join us for the 14th Annual Europa Property CEE Retail Awards. With over 100 expansion directors attending and the most active owners of shopping centers, retail parks, and big box retail, and they're ready to do deals. This event is not to be missed. During the day, we have our retail marketplace, which focuses on deal-making retailer presentations and the CEE Retail Forum. Then in the evening, our big retail awards gala, which starts at 7 and finishes late into the evening. So, welcome back. And Winston, good to see you. Welcome to the Coffee with Craig show.
Yeah.
How was your Christmas?
Very nice, thank you.
Everything good? Ready for the new year and 2022 and attacking all the new challenges and opportunities.
Yeah, looking forward to the new challenges, definitely.
Good. Well, let's hear what we have in the news sector on
thanks, Craig.
This week.
And this is the main highlights from the news over the holiday period. Mm-hmm. And we seem to have got quite a bit of news from Southeastern Europe.
Okay.
And we'll start today with the Austrian-based property group Supernova. Mm-hmm. They've acquired 6 shopping centres in Romania.
Wow.
From Cora.
From Cora. Mm-hmm.
And 3 of these shopping centres are located in Bucharest, and 3 of them are in satellite cities throughout the country. Mm-hmm. And this was apparently a very complex share deal. And the acquisition financed by a consortium of 4 banks, which is Erste Bank, Raiffeisen Bank International, Raiffeisen Bank Romania, and BCR.
So big deal. A lot of banks involved.
Yeah, big deal, and a lot of banks involved. And so shopping centres are changing hands, and they're looking forward to a good year in retail, I think.
I think it will be a good year.
And staying in retail and moving to Croatia, Nima Finance is planning to increase its Stop Shop portfolio brand in Croatia. Currently, there are 4 shopping centres there, and they want to increase it by another 20 locations. So in the short to medium term, and they've got one site they're working on already, and an extension they're working on as well, and they're hoped to be ready by the end of the first half of 2022. And they've acquired 22 sites in Croatia.
Wow. Okay.
For a fee of around 80 million euros, and according to Dietmar Rindel, he's the COO of Nima Finance. He says Croatia is a promising market with a strong return to economic growth as well as rising disposable income and consumer confidence. And many of our international retail tenants want to expand in Croatia, and their Stop Shop format is ideally suited for growth.
And details also on our jury for the retail awards. So
great,
like
they've got
quite busy.
Some good things to bring with him and talk about.
Yeah, absolutely.
And so moving on and coming back to Poland, and something from the warehouse market, and Palmyra Capital Partners have announced over the last few days that they've acquired another property for their European Core Logistics Fund, and this one's in Gliwice, southern Poland. It's a last mile logistics property which was built in 2014 and is fully let to DPD Polska, which is a leading last mile service provider. And according to Alexander Biss, she's the asset manager in charge at Palmyra. With this transaction, we are delighted to have acquired another excellent core property and to have DPD, a globally leading logistics company, representing our portfolio. We already have plans for further acquisitions. Staying in the investment market and moving to Slovakia. We're going all around the region today, Greg.
Well, that was just Hungary on the phone as well, so interesting.
And Christian Co have announced that they advised Invesco Real Estate on the sale of a hotel in Slovakia. This is the Mercure Bratislava Centrum Hotel, and they sold it to CPI Property Group.
Oh wow! Okay.
Yeah, and this now makes CPI Property Group one of the largest hotel owners throughout the region. And according to Simon Kronberger, he's director of Austria and CE, he says the hotel currently fits very well with the demand profile of many investors who are increasingly looking for value-add products in European capitals. As the Mercure Bratislava has a lot of potential with its size and the quality of the location and building substance, we face strong investor demand and received multiple offers. So it's good news for the hotel sector that good products are changing hands and looking forward to a good future.
Yeah, well, I mean, some of them had a rocky few months, but it seems like every hotel I walk into now for business meeting is packed, is full.
Yeah, I think the ones the ones that are located in capital cities and in the centres next to old towns and this kind of thing, then they're going to get the tourism business. They're going to get all the good
bounce
trade. Bounce back well, I think. Yeah.
Is that all we have for the day?
That's all the time. All we've got time for today, Craig.
Time for today? Yeah. I see we're running out of time. All right, so everybody enjoy. Are we doing Coffee with Craig tomorrow?
We can.
Okay, so we won't say Happy New Year till tomorrow. So everyone enjoy yourself, stay safe, and stay healthy. Thank you for watching the Coffee with Craig show. We're now up to 14,000 viewers on the interviews that we've done. It's now
picked up an extra 1,000.
An extra 1,000. It's gone up, and it may even be higher. I didn't check this morning. And of course, 8,000 on the news stays very steady even during these holiday times. So great to see that as well. I guess because the weather probably helps to.
Yeah, there's nothing else to watch on TV.
Nothing else to watch anyway. Yeah, they've seen it all on Netflix. So enjoy the rest of the day and this holiday week. If you're working, great. So are we. You're not alone, even though it seems empty in the parking lot. So. With that said, we will see you Friday morning for our next episode. Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.